everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I really appreciate all of you making time for this meeting. As you know, innovation is to stay competitive by combining strategic management, innovation and creativity and safety.
Morning, Mr. Afandi. I think this meeting is very timely. On behalf of the employees, I can say there's a lot of excitement about the new innovation workshop and employees suggestion system. But at the same time, some workers are a little hesitate. They are wondering whether trying out new machines or experimenting with prototype might expose them to new risk.
That's a fair point, Arini. I'm happy you brought it up. You know, innovation should make anyone feel unsafe. Okay, Aisha, could you share how we manage safety during this new initiative?
Of course, thanks Mr. Afandi. First, I want everyone to know that safety remains our number one priority. So no matter how creative or fast we move, so for every new project or process, my team conduct a risk assessment. And before implementation, we look at the equipment, the workspace, and even the mental workload. So we're also introducing safety awareness training specific to innovation project. For example, when the R&D teams and test new design or operate smart manufacturing tools, we will review procedures and ensure everyone is briefed. So innovation doesn't have to mean danger. It can actually work more safely if done right.
That's your sharing, Aisha. Sometimes when we brainstorm ideas, we get so caught up in the creative side that we forget how important it is to test safely. But with your team help, we can innovate confidently.
Yes, I agree. It's great to know the safety team is involved early in the process, not just after something goes wrong. The kind of collaboration release build trust.
Exactly. Collaboration is the key and part of my job as a leader to make sure everyone feels support to think creatively. That means create psychological safety and environment where no one afraid to share bold ideas. I want everyone to remember mistakes are part of the learning process. We will celebrate initiative, not just success. Plus, I will make sure we could continue allocating R&D resources so teams have the tool and time they need.
That's encouraging, Mr. Afandi. Sometimes we hold back ideas because we think they be too risky or too different. But when leaders openly support us, it gives us confidence to explore. During our last innovation workshop, one of our junior engineers suggested a new eco-friendly motor design. Normally, he quite shy, but the team's positive reaction motivated him to refine the concept.
That's exactly the kind of the culture we want. Open, supportive, and aligned with our sustainability goals.
Speaking of alignment, our innovation team is also working closely with marketing to make sure our ideas fit market opportunities.
That's part of our strategic management approach, turning creative ideas into real product that customer actually needs.
We have started using data analytics to identify trends so our innovations stay relevant and profitable.
Fantastic, Harini. I love seeing how innovation and strategy go hand in hand. And just to add, when we design after workflows, it also contributes the company's long-term sustainability strategy. Fewer accidents means fewer disruption, lower costs, and stronger reputation.
That's true. Employees notice when management takes safety seriously. It builds loyalty. And when they see their suggestion being heard, like through the employee suggestion system, they feel more invested. Maybe we can even introduce small recognition reward for the safety innovative ideas.
That's an excellent idea, Arini. We can integrate safety recognition into our existing innovation reward program. Employees who propose creative yet self-improvement will get both recognition and incentive. This way, we promote innovation without compromising safety.
I also wanted to mention our cross-department collaboration project. We have started weekly session between production, design and marketing teams. The mix of perspective has been amazing. Engineers focus on function, marketers on customer needs, and designer on usability. When everyone collaborates, the product becomes more practical and marketable.
Yes, and through our partnership with universities, we learn about new material and smart technologies. One research group suggests a biodegradable component that could make our product more eco-friendly.
Wow, that's a wonderful progress. This example shows how strategic management, innovation and safety can work together to strengthen competitive advantage. You team, I'm proud of the open communication we have built today. Let's keep combining our creativity with safety and strategy. That's the real formula for long-term success.
Absolutely.